Okay, I've got F-117 canopy that I'm going to vacuum form here in a minute. And I'm just waiting for the plastic to sag. I've got 4 cheap burners I bought off Amazon for that are 110 because I don't have, my garage isn't wired up for 220. So I've got them going to separate outlets on different circuit breakers so I don't trip circuit breakers. So second the plastic's done sagging, then I'm going to turn the power switches off, which are right here. And then that'll turn the burners off, and then I'm going to pull the plastic down, and I've got a foot switch from my vacuum, and it should suck the plastic right down. So we'll see. It's been about 2 years since I've made a part, maybe a year and a half. So the plastic's kind of getting there, but this is kind of an art, it seems like, rather than a science. So it can be kind of tricky. But plastic's getting there. And it's pretty much there. So I'm going to turn the burners off. Okay, they're off. And then I'm going to drop it down. See how it goes. And that's about it. So I've got these hooks that hold down the framework for the plastic. And yeah, it looks good. I got a little bit of a wrinkle right here, but that's not part of the part. That'll get cut out. And everything else came out really good. So it's 3 mil plastic. But I built this box about 2 years ago. Took me a long time and a bunch of attempts. So I finally got it finished up, and I made quite a few canopies for my other jets I'm working on, or I've worked on. But now I'm doing this F-117. So see how this turns out when it cools down.